everyone! Today the assistant's inviting us inside her igloo for a grand tour. Let's see how it looks, okay? There's the assistant right there!
Hi!
Hey assistant, what are you playing?
Pac-Man!
Oh, you've got a Pac-Man game inside of here?
Yeah!
So there's the assistant playing Pac-Man. Can you tell that she's a lefty?
Oh man!
Oh, that was so good! So you've got a Pac-Man game inside of your igloo?
Yeah!
Back up and see everything that you have, okay?
Okay.
This is inside the assistant's igloo. This is where she likes to hang out, right?
Right, and I like to do some of my schoolwork right here.
Oh, so what kind of desk is that?
It's like a Paw Patrol desk.
Oh, yeah, it is a Paw Patrol desk.
But sometimes I have Paw Patrol on mission.
Oh yeah, they have missions. Oh wait, a chair came out. Whoa, it's a command center, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, so show me all the things that you can do on your Paw Patrol command center.
Okay, so it starts off like an ordinary desk as you saw.
It almost looked like a table, didn't it?
Yeah, you can also use it as a desk. So you just open it up like that and you flip this up and there's your desk. And you can also move these little tools like this.
Oh, so look, you've got Special Agent Chase right there, right?
Right, and all the other pups.
Oh, and that's a location to let you know where all the pups are at.
Yes.
So you can find out where Marshall and Zuma and even Robo-Dog, right?
Right, and you can play with the keyboard.
It's got a little keyboard right there. Wow, and look, what do those switches do? You can turn those.
Yep, like that. Woo.
Okay, can you transform it back into a table?
Yep, so you flip this down, turn that like that, and then you push in the chair.
So the first two things we've seen in the assistant's super fun igloo is her Paw Patrol command center and her Pac-Man game. What else do you do in here, assistant?
So, you might see these.
Oh yeah, it's that Minnie and
Minnie and Catboy and Mickey.
So what are they?
So, they're bean bags.
What, really?
Yep. So you can do this. Relax.
Oh, yeah. You could probably put them all in a line too, right?
Right. Okay, let's do it like this. Let's do it right here, and right here. And then you can just lay
Wow, and look at her, and you lean on Mickey. Whoa, and next to that you've got the Paw Patrol lookout tower, right?
Yeah.
And the ultimate fire truck.
Yeah, let's stack these back up, kind of. We have the ultimate fire truck.
So the ultimate fire truck, and it's right next to the life-size lookout tower.
Right.
Oh, and look, and there's the mission cruiser for Chase.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at all these awesome things. And look down here, it spins.
It does show me how it spins. Wow. So let's see. You've got people up there that need to go down. So who can go down the slide?
Zuma.
Zuma's gonna go down the slide.
Ready?
There he goes. And then he's ready to go into his vehicle.
Where's his vehicle? Right here.
There's Zuma's hovercraft.
And,
Oh, you missed, Zuma!
Let's try it again.
Oh, you missed again!
Yeah. Oh, man. You
So this
missed.
is where you play with the Paw Patrol toys, right?
Right. So once he's done, he can just go, Paw Patrol. And then they're off.
Okay, let's look at the ceiling of your igloo. What?
Whoa.
Way up there! It's the igloo ceiling. And
Way up.
people at home, if you've ever been in an igloo, have your parents leave a comment and let us know.
Oh, and also another cool thing about this is you can lift it up.
Oh, that's right. You can lift it up to the ladder, right? You
Right.
Pull it up right here. So up goes the top.
Like
You use
this.
two hands and you pull it up. So that's how you get the pups in there. And then there's how it lifts, right?
Yep. So you go up and then.
Wow. Hey, assistant, I think you've got some hungry people over here.
You're right.
In your kitchen. Look, there's her Minnie Mouse kitchen where she likes to cook, pretend food.
Yep. Here's my hat. So I can cook stuff.
And look, you've got, oh look, it looks like you're babysitting Catboy and Owlette and that little baby gecko and a giant centipede.
Yeah, I still gotta make some lunch.
You do, so you've got your kitchen there, and it has a little bell. Show me your bell.
Okay, you just click it like this.
Oh, yeah. That's her bell.
Yeah.
And then she's got her oven and all kinds of cool things at their Minnie Mouse kitchen.
Right. Here's some French fries.
Oh, Cowboy, you want some French fries for dinner?
It's lunchtime.
Oh, it's lunchtime. That's right, it is lunchtime.
Okay, there's some. Let's get some more food. Here's some healthy stuff. A banana.
By healthy stuff, she means peas.
Yeah.
Peas, right?
Yeah.
That's what those are.
This is this healthy stuff, the banana. Here's a croissant and some corn on the cob.
Oh, good, good. All right, Cowboy, are you ready for your lunch?
Okay, this is also Owlette's lunch, too. So here's a chip for the next one.
Oh, good. All right, so you're going to give it to the Cowboy's in his high chair.
Which one do you want, Catboy?
I think he doesn't care. Just give him one.
Okay.
He's going to be happy.
Wait, what's that, Gecko? Oh, he says he's not hungry.
Oh, you're not hungry? Okay.
I'll make you food later. Here's your food, Owlette.
So that is the kitchen portion of your igloo.
Right.
Anything else you want to show me?
Look over there.
Where?
There's my dog
Oh,
house.
there's a little pretend Wiggles and puppy dog pals, right?
Right.
Because you've got a pet clinic right here.
A pet clinic.
Wow, so let's see. Oh, you're giving that Rolly? You're giving him a bath?
Yeah. Give him a checkup. And there's another dog.
Bingo. That's
No
Bingo.
bingo. Oh, silly us.
Oh, and you're out of doggy treats down there, right?
Yeah, I gotta go to the store.
You gotta go to the store.
Or I could make my homemade dog.
And there's Findo, that's Doc McStuffins dog, right?
Yeah, and here's her little bag.
Oh, and there's you can do x-rays, right? So show me the x-ray.
So you do this, you push down like that. Oh, it looks like he has a broken bone.
No, Findo! You got
No!
Oh, wait a minute, look. And look, you've got another pet care clinic right there.
Yes, this one you can take on the go.
Oh, yeah, that's one for on the go, right?
Right, and there's a drawer. There's Doc McStuffins. Here's her.
What's inside the drawer, sister?
A ton of stuff. Here's some different x-rays that I've taken in the
Oh, and
past.
they go right on top, right? So look, right there.
Right, I can take this x-ray out and put this x-ray in.
Wow.
And
Way cool. It's got Doc McStuffins.
all sorts of stuff.
And then over here you've got a microscope too, right?
Oh, right. Yeah, right.
Just in case that you've got to do cultures and look like.
Like really close at stuff.
Okay, and let's see what else you have in here.
There's a bottom. Oh, right here.
Oh, you've got a pony cycle, right? If you're on the go. And whoa, look at that thing! Sister, you get inside?
Yeah. Wow.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Yeah, and look at this pony cycle.
That's for when little kids come visit you, right? You've got your
Right.
old big pony cycles, but right now you've got a small one.
Right, just to play with.
Yeah. So like, this is like for 3- and 4-year-olds who come and hang out with the assistant when she's inside of her igloo.
Right. His name's Thunder.
His name is Thunder. I think we had friends riding before in videos, hadn't we?
Yeah.
All right, so people at home, tell us, what do you think about the assistant's igloo? We've got the giant expanding ball. We've got the pet clinics over here with Wiggles inside of a dog house.
Yeah.
Don't forget the Pac-Man game.
The secret office.
She's got her Paw Patrol Command Center, her bean bags, all of her Paw Patrol toys, her kitchen, where she's feeding the members of PJ Masks. All of it's inside of your what?
Igloo.
Well, have your parents leave a comment and tell us. Would you want to have fun hanging out with the assistant in her igloo?
Yeah. Tell them in the comments.
She has friends come over all the time, don't you?
Yeah.
All right, so leave a comment and let us know what you think about her igloo. Bye, everyone. Hey, assistant, what do you have there?
The McDonald's playset.
Oh, it is McDonald's playset, isn't it?
Yes.
You've got hamburgers that you're making and Well, I think you've got spots for fries and all kinds of cool stuff, right?
Yes, there's even a trash can.
There's even a trash can. Assistant, I think you've got your first customer.
Hi! Hi! Hi, assistant! I'm really, really hungry! Okay, what would you like? Oh, I know! I think I want some breakfast! Do you serve breakfast? Yes, I do! Oh, great! I think I'm in the mood for pancakes and eggs and sausage!
Ooh.
Okay!
So, Assistant, do you have that food?
Yes.
Let's see. Inside of your McDonald's?
It's in the microwave.
Oh, is it in the microwave part?
Here.
Ooh. Let's open it up and see what's inside of it.
Oh, yummy! Where are the eggs, assistant?
Oh, I think it's right here under your sausage.
Oh!
Mickey, do you mind that I'm touching your hamburger or your sausage?
That's okay as long as you wash them!
I washed them last week, I'm sure.
Oh, yum! This looks awesome!
Alright, now Mickey, be careful because there's lots of things around here and I'd hate for you to trip or something.
Okay.
Oh no, Mickey!
Want some syrup?
Oh!
Want some syrup to go with it? Oh, sure.
Oh well. Alright, Assistant, so Mickey Mouse ordered food, but Mickey Mouse fell over. I think we're ready for our next customer. Sorry, Mickey. I guess you can eat later. Hey, Assistant! Mickey Mouse dropped off his food!
Yeah, and he still forgot to pay because there's no money in the cash register.
Oh, look, there's a working cash register on here. Well, kind of working, it opens and closes. Hey, show me how the rest of this works, too. So you got your grill, and you flip things over. So that is that. Hey, I think you got your next customer, Assistant!
Hey, assistant! Ooh, I'm hungry. I love McDonald's.
Okay, what would you like?
What do I want? I know. How about a Big Mac cheeseburger with pickles and lettuce because they're green? I love the color green.
What about cheese?
Yes, lots of cheese.
Okay, so you've got to make a Big Mac with cheese and lots of green things, Assistant.
Okay.
Let's see how you do it, okay?
So we get the thing off the grill and we put it on its mush.
Okay, so you got to make sure it's nice and warm.
Cheese.
Now you're adding the cheese, please. Lettuce. Pickles. Oh, I wonder if Gecko wants some ketchup or mustard on it.
Oh, yes, lots of ketchup. Extra ketchup.
Extra ketchup. Okay. Whoa, she put it on. Good job.
Okay, Gecko, here's your hamburger.
Does it taste good? I'm so excited.
Yeah, it tastes good.
Assistant, did you just take a bite of Gecko's hamburger?
Of course, he said it doesn't taste good, so I tried it and see if it tastes good.
Oh, that was silly.
Well, thanks, assistant, but I need some more ketchup.
You want a cookie?
Ooh, a cookie? Wait, what? Okay.
For me eating your stuff.
Yeah, a cookie.
Okay.
Oh, you got a whole tray of cookies, Assistant.
Yeah. Here.
Wait, did you just eat my cookie too?
Yes.
Oh, man. I'm out of here.
Oh, boy.
Wait, you forgot to pay.
Assistant, you've got another person who forgot to pay. Oh, wow. All right. Well, let's see who's going to come up next.
Okay. Hi, assistant. Hi, Minnie. I would like chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets with French fries, of course. Okay. I'm so hungry.
Are you hungry, Minnie?
I'm so hungry.
Hey, look. That's Ronald McDonald. He's actually looks like a clown. So you're inside of it?
Here's your chicken nugget. Oh, thank you. And here's your French fries.
Oh, you've got French fries there too, Assistant?
Of course. Oh, I love French fries. Thank you so much. Would you like barbecue sauce? I would like barbecue sauce and ketchup for my French fries. Here you go. Oh, thank you. Yummy. What about ketchup? Extra ketchup, please. Whoa.
Oh, you spilled the ketchup all over Minnie! Oh, no! But Minnie Mouse, you still have to pay!
Assistant, there's no
assistant, you had 3 people. Why don't you go ahead and give me an ice cream cone, okay?
Okay.
So Mickey and Minnie and Gecko, none of them paid. You're not gonna make a lot of money that way. So now
Yeah, my boss will fire me.
Yeah.
Well, actually, you're my boss.
So here's an ice cream cone. People at home, would you like to take a bite? Ah! I dropped it! Assistant, I dropped the ice cream.
You still have to pay.
I don't know if I'm gonna pay or not, assistant. So look, this is your ice cream. Hey, assistant. If it wasn't an ice cream stand, what else can you do with it? Now it's hot dogs and pretzels. And she flips it around on the front. And that goes on too, right?
Uh-huh.
Wow. So there's that. And look, open up all. And can you roll it a little bit? Whoa! Look at that. Where are you going? Hey, look. Let's show everybody at home the bottom tray too. So you've got 2 sides to your ice cream cart, right? Right there. Oh, you got money. Ooh, you got pretzels in there too, right?
See, I did get money.
You did get some money. You got pretzels and hot dogs.
Hot dog. We got buns. We got ketchup. Secret, I actually didn't put ketchup on any of them.
What? You didn't put any ketchup on them? All right. So what is the drawer above that?
It's all the ice cream.
Oh, it's all the ice cream. Look, you got ice cream sundae. You got ice cream bars, right? And then you got sodas. Oh, ice creams. You're just picking them up. Tell me what they are.
Oh, orange, soda. This.
Ice cream sandwiches.
And
last but not least, you've got a bell. Show me how the bell works. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, people at home, do you think that the assistant should have any more customers to her McDonald's drive-thru or her ice cream stand?
yeah.
So leave a comment and let us know. And who should come? Who do you think would come? Do you think Donald Duck should come?
I don't know.
You eating that cookie?
Whoa.
Remember to subscribe and check out our next video, right?
Right.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.